Come on and step out, ma'am. Come on, step on.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. Today we're headed down to the Sunshine State, good old Florida. But don't let those palm trees and beaches fool you. This case we're diving into today is far from a relaxing day at the beach. It's a DUI situation that gets pretty wild. So here's a major setup. Our main character today is a woman named Astrid who gets pulled over for speeding, 59 miles per hour in a 40. That's almost 20 miles over the limit. And to make matters worse, this officer is part of the traffic unit. Speeding is the bread and butter for his job, so you know he's going to be on high alert. But things don't stop there. Astrid doesn't have her driver's license with her, and when the officer digs a little deeper, it turns out her license is actually suspended. And not just for any reason, this suspension is tied to prior DUIs. That's where things start to spiral. Let's take a look at the body cam footage to see how it all unfolds.
Hello, my name is Officer Biner. I'm with the Fort Myers Police Department Traffic Unit. The reason I'm stopping you is 59 miles per hour in a 40. Okay, I'm going a little too fast, all right? Do you have your license on you? Huh? You don't have it? Okay. Do you have one?
I'm in the process of getting it. I'm just being honest with you.
Okay.
I recently got a DUI.
Okay.
You know how expensive it is to get the FR44.
Uh-huh.
This is under my mother's car.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just being blunt honest with you.
Okay.
And so no. I don't have one.
Okay. So is your license currently suspended? Okay. All right.
I'm gonna go jail for that?
No, well, we're gonna have to work that out, but
No,
first.
I'm being honest with you.
No, you're being cool with me, so we'll work.
I have no reason to lie to you.
Yeah, so I just need your information, okay? What's your first name? Okay. All right, just give me a minute, okay? All right, give me your name one more time.
Astrid?
Yeah, is that how you spell it? A-S-T-R-I-D? Yeah, go ahead.
Like, I don't have nothing like you. This is under my mother's name.
Okay.
Her name is...
Okay.
Under her name. All the reason.
Yeah, I have her information. I just need your information.
I don't have to lie to you.
Well, I appreciate you not lying to me.
I'm saying, what's the guys you want to get me to jail for? I decided to pick up my daughter. That's the only reason why.
And where's your daughter at?
School.
Okay.
But you have to hyphenate it.
Oh, gotcha.
Blending.
So it's hyphenated. Cruise what?
Blending.
Oh. Gotcha.
Oh, no, wait. He said blending.
10-4, thank you.
You're fine.
Okay. Who can come pick you up and pick the car up?
The car, no, but I can have someone pick me up.
Yeah, do that. You're in the parking lot here. Once I'm done, I'm gonna write you a couple tickets and we're gonna be on our way. All right? I'm gonna have to give you 2 tickets. Yeah. You're driving while your license is revoked, and you're doing 59 and a 40. So yeah, you're gonna get 2 tickets, but that's better than going.
I'm 40 though, but you're allowed to go 5 miles over the.
You're going 5 miles. You're going almost 20 miles over the speed limit. So call somebody.
Yeah.
Right here. Not yet. You wait. Anymore, okay? So you're gonna come with me, all right? Because I'm gonna take you to jail. So, sit up. You're being arrested for knowingly operating a motor vehicle while license revoked. All right, you've already gotten a I was gonna give you a citation for it and have you go on your way, but I already see that you've gotten a citation for that before, so I have to take you to jail now. Okay? So come on, step out. Come on and step out, ma'am. Come on, step on out. Let's go. to jail. It's all good. License is revoked. Her license is revoked. And she knows it. So. No. Because you're not the registered owner. Neither is she.
Can I have my phone?
Yeah.
Can you give her my stuff?
You gotta take her stuff?
Yes. Yeah, you can take it.
In this vehicle? Let's get in this house. Let's get in.
Come with me.
Can he get
Come
my
with me.
stuff?
No, we cannot.
Why are you taking me to jail?
I told you, driving while license revoked.
What I'm saying is, can he take my stuff?
Yes.
That's what I said. Can he take my stuff?
And now while we're at it, okay, now I have multiple indicators of impairment. So I'm already taking you to jail for this. I'm going to add DUI to it. All right. Do you want to conduct a
The test?
yes.
Of course.
All right, great. So we'll do that at the jail.
I plead the fifth for that.
Huh?
I'm not plead the fifth for that.
Do you want to do field sobriety exercises to determine your ability to operate a motor vehicle?
I will plead the fifth for that.
So is that yes or no?
You're already taking me to jail, so I'll plead the fifth.
All right, so I'm going to take that as a refusal. I'm going to arrest you for driving while license revoked knowingly, and I'm going to arrest you for DUI. No problem.
How you gonna fucking arrest me for a DUI?
Because you have multiple indicators of impairment now, we're good to go. I don't need to.
What?
Go ahead, take a seat.
Can my stuff?
Ma'am, take a seat. Now, sit down. Stop trying to pull away from me. Thank you. You clearly didn't learn your lesson the first time you got a DUI. Scoot over more. Thank you. Do you have anything on your person? Because I don't have a female with me that's going to search you, and if you enter the jail with contraband, you're going to be charged with felonies with that too. Do you have anything on you that I need to know right now?
No, sir.
Okay.
But you know what?
But
Can I get my phone? Can he get my stuff?
Anything you need me to do, boss?
I'm going to do can you do tow lock, please?
Yeah.
All right.
Check the baby.
Yep. Oh, we're good now, dude. She's going to jail for revoked license and DUI, so she's good.
What?
Yep. Don't have to.
Oh, let's see. No, she got it all. I'll see you. Got you.
Well, my thing is she told me that she was going to pick up her kid. Do you know anything of that?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to pick up her kid?
That's why I was trying to give her information.
Okay.
So I said, talk to her. That's all I want.
What's that? Correct. You're being placed under arrest for operating a motor vehicle while your license is revoked knowingly because you already, yes, revoked, taken away. And then now,
Because you don't want to have a kid.
okay, so do I. Thankfully, I took you to jail so you don't kill your kid. So do me a favor and keep pleading the fifth, and also use your Fourth Amendment right to be quiet.
Because you're arresting me for no reason.
Yeah, I guess, right?
You had a reason for that, but guess what? I thought that you logged and now fucking take you to jail to give you a Simmons.
Not when you're drunk. Now listen, here's my question to you. Are you going to provide a breath sample? Are you willing to provide a sample of your breath to determine its alcoholic content? No? All right, perfect. What's that? I didn't slam you on the door, man. You were trying to pull away from me. Okay.
I'm sure you might have a daughter. I don't know why. I think they'll slap her like that. See how she feels. I'm still a woman at the end of the day. Whether you know me or you don't abuse your fucking power.
All right. Well, listen to law enforcement next time, okay?
You? Huh? I don't care who all the fucking charges you want. But don't snap me like that. I'm a woman.
Yeah.
If you have a wife, go slam her like that. People should say to you.
I don't touch my wife, man.
Oh, but you gotta touch me.
Well, I told you to get in the car and you failed to listen and you started to pull away from me.
I don't care if you put me because you're doing it for no reason.
Okay.
You had no proof that's my shit.
Don't have to.
Huh?
I do not have to.
I don't have to? Well, guess what? If I get a lawyer, I do have to. You're gonna lose.
Okay.
Because guess what? You had no proof that shit is mine.
Okay.
You think I'm stupid and I don't know my laws?
No.
Go ahead, you arrest me without even bringing my marijuana right.
Don't need to.
You don't have to? Of course you have to.
I'm not
How
asking
come you
you.
didn't tell me I was drunk when you pulled up to my window?
It'll all be in the report, ma'am.
It would all be in the report?
Yep.
Go ahead. I plead the fifth.
Great.
You damn right I did, because I don't feel guilty for nothing. You had no cause to go in my car. You went in there without permission, so put that shit in there too.
Not your car.
Huh?
It's not your car.
That's my mother. And guess what? Sometimes people are busy and I'm a single mother and I had to pick up my child. What you want to get a little bonus water? Because you had no reason to do that. You're bullshitting because there's plenty of people that get pulled over without that car being in their name, and if you had no probable cause, you didn't go in that car and you didn't ask. You just went. Because I'm going to tell you one thing. I don't smoke weed. I don't do none of that. And you still did that. What was your probable cause? You get her, you ran into me and booked me anything while you going to jail. For what?
Alpha 3124.
For what? You had no
Fort
motherfucking
Myers,
reason.
Alpha 8410-4.
I'm not fucking stupid. And I respect people for what they do, but what you did do was wrong.
Okay.
So why didn't you tell me this shit when you looked in the window? Like an actual professional officer would.
Hey guys, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna call her disorderly because she's getting a little heated up there. So we'll just take her in and then I'm gonna knock out the report. So I appreciate you, V.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Now that you've seen the footage, let's break down the legal side. First, driving with a suspended license is a serious offense in Florida under section 322.34. It's a first-degree misdemeanor if the suspension is due to a prior DUI. That means Astra is really facing up to a year in jail and potentially a hefty fine. Then there's the open container issue. Florida law under statute 316.1936 prohibits possessing an open container of alcohol in any vehicle, even if it's not being consumed. It's a non-criminal moving violation, but it definitely adds another layer of trouble to Astrid's case. And let's not forget Florida's implied consent law, found in section 316.1932. If you're lawfully arrested for DUI, you're required to submit a chemical test. That means breath, blood, or urine. Refusing this test leads to an automatic license suspension, 1 year for the first refusal and 18 months for subsequent refusals. But here's the thing, field sobriety tests, like the one Astrid refused, are voluntary. Refusing those doesn't carry the same penalties, but It still can lead to an arrest if the officer has evidence of impairment. So, Astrid decides to invoke the Fifth Amendment. This protects her from self-incrimination, meaning she doesn't have to answer questions that could be used against her in court. But here's the catch. While this is absolutely her right, it doesn't erase the evidence the officer already has. The speeding, the suspended license, the open container, all of that provides probable cause for an arrest, even without her statements. Plus, the officer's observations, like slurred speech or bloodshot eyes, can still be used to build the case against her. Pleading the Fifth protects her from making things worse, but it doesn't make the existing evidence disappear. Let's take a quick detour into evidentiary standards. Something we've talked about before, but it's always good to revisit. These are the benchmarks used to evaluate evidence in legal settings. And in Astrid's case, the officer moves through all 6. Number 1, mere suspicion. The officer notices her speeding, which justifies a stop. Remember, mere suspicion is just a hunch or a gut feeling. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. That's the open container and her suspended license raising red flags. Reasonable suspicion is a more articulable fact that can point to a person potentially having committed a crime. Number 3, probable cause. This is when the officer's findings are enough to make an arrest. Remember, we used to say this is about 35% of the evidence point to a person having committed a crime. This is also what's required for a warrant to issue. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. This standard applies in civil cases, like her license suspension. This usually means 51% of the evidence points to a likelihood that a person is liable for doing something. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. This is used for administrative actions, such as revoking her license. It requires more than 51%. This is about 75% of the evidence points. The legal language is a high likelihood that the defendant is liable or guilty. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. This is the highest standard. It's required for a DUI conviction in criminal court. The prosecutor must meet each element beyond a reasonable doubt in order to gain a conviction. Understanding these standards helps us see how this case progresses from suspicion to a potential conviction. Astrid's case shows just how quickly a routine traffic stop can spiral into a legal nightmare. Driving with a suspended license, having an open container, and refusing a chemical test, it's a domino effect of bad decisions. The takeaway here is clear. Know your rights, but also understand the responsibilities that come with them. If you're ever in a tough situation like this one, stay calm, know the law, and you potentially can make a big difference in your own life. Thanks for tuning in to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our way to our first 1,000 subscribers, and every click counts. Please remember, always drive responsibly and know your rights. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, this is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. You have a good day.